Heartfelt congratulations and welcome to the cast and crew of Mirzapur. A warm welcome to you, Bina, Rasika Dugal.
प्रणाम बीना त्रिपाठी का प्रणाम.
Yes, and Kaleen Bhaiya, Mr. Pankaj Tripathi. I'm a big fan, big. Watched a lot of your movies too. And my warm and heartfelt welcome to Vijay Verma.
Thank you so much.
Twins in the second edition, Bharat Tyagi and Shatrughan Tyagi. Okay, quickly now. Before I started, I put up a story on my Instagram saying I be getting a chance to speak with the cast and crew of Mirzapur. I got 1,000 questions. So in 15 minutes, I'm going to take everyone's name, ask those questions. Whoever wants to answer, please take it up. Before that,
let me guess. One of the questions must be Mirzapur season 3 ka baare.
Sorry?
Yes. Let me guess. One of the questions must be Mirzapur season 3 ka baare.
Yeah, of course, that will be there.
Actually, for all of you, Mr. Pankaj and Dugal and also Vijay, did you go through an acting school?
Yeah.
Yes.
And Mr. Pankaj, especially you.
He is acting school.
Huh?
He is an acting school himself.
There you go.
True.
The nuances and subtlety that he brings in, even without speaking much. Pankaj, I would like to ask you this. Is it the acting school or your life experience?
Both, not one thing. The acting school, life experience, craft, सब count करता है ना?
Is it a limited number of words that you speak in a day also? Because in Mirzapur season 2, it's just nodding your head.
मैं बहुत खुले करता हूँ. आदमी बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ जैसा मैं मिर्जापुर में दिखता हूँ.
Okay. But you have spoken so much through your expression, just nodding your head, that look that you give Munna, the look that you give everyone, so much, like you don't need words to express your acting actually.
शुक्रिया वो एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं. कालीन भैया का मुझे इवन सीजन 2 के पहले दिन डायरेक्टर गुरु ने बताया कि आप कुछ वैसा करते थे, तो सीन देखा पार्ट 1 का, सेकंड पार्ट शूटिंग के डे 1 एंड देख के फिर मैं वो अच्छा ऐसा करता था, तो फिर वापस चला.
Okay, my ex-colleague from Fever 104 FM, Anshul Agarwal, wants to know what was your hardest scene to shoot? Anybody? I'm sure it could be different feat for each one of you. Whoever wants to take it. Rasika?
Hardest scene actually we will. Abhi now, can I give spoilers? I'm not sure. अब मैं बता दूंगी end वाला.
We have watched it. We have binge watched it.
Huh?
We have binge watched it.
I know, but your audience, I don't want to give away something that people have not watched. ये तो प्रॉब्लम है मिर्जापुर की. कुछ भी आप बोलो ना तो स्पॉइलर हो जाता है. कुछ आप
ऐसे बोल दो, लास्ट वाला सीन ऐसे करके बोल दो, डिटेल मत.
तो एक बहुत ही क्रूशियल लास्ट एपिसोड में एक सीन है जब बीना इज फाइनली गेटिंग हर रिवेंज. इट्स प्रोबेबली द एंड ऑफ हर रिवेंज एंड वो मतलब 1.5 शिफ्ट हो गए थे, सब भूखे थे, सबको नींद आ रही थी. नेक्स्ट डे वी डिडंट हैव द लोकेशन, सो वी हैड टू एक्सटेंड इट टू 1.5 शिफ्ट्स एंड वी वर ऑल. And I was just trying to find something to bring to this scene because I was like, this is very important. So I need to focus on this. But everything was, as it happens very often on shoots, that the time that you need everybody to focus, everybody is just falling off and dying. So that is what was happening in that scene. People were hungry, people were cranky. And then this was the first scene that the action director had in the day. So he had come with full enthusiasm and everybody else was like struggling to find their enthusiasm for this scene. So वो सब कुछ चल रहा था. मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से कुछ इधर उधर से ढूंढ ढांड के कुछ इमोशन ला के ऐसे चलो, now I'm ready for this. And as soon as I was going to deliver the shot, I hear 2 people standing behind me saying, ये एग फ्राइड राइस आ रहा है कि चिकन बिरयानी?
I would like to ask all 3 of you. I am sure you have your criterion or criteria before you sign up or before you get inspired with the script. Individually, starting with Mr. Pankaj, what made you sign up for Mirzapur?
स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ कोर्स पार्ट 1 में स्क्रिप्ट एंड द टीम जो प्रोड्यूसर्स थे एक्सेल एंटरटेनमेंट, बिकॉज हमारा पुराना कोलैबोरेशन है उनके साथ, फुकरे एंड फिल्में की हैं। सो वो टीम टैलेंटेड लोगों की टीम थी, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट थी, अच्छा बैनर था, दैट्स इट। अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म था Amazon Prime।
Vijay, is pretty much content the number one thing?
मेरे लिए तो it was a no-brainer because I walked in season 2. Season 1 was a hit franchise, and I have a great.
And you walked in twice.
That's true. So it was a no-brainer for me.
Okay, and Rasika, anything specific that before what made you sign Mirzapur?
I think it was the kind of role because I had not been offered something like this before. It's very different from who I am and very different from the parts I normally get offered. But I think more and more what's become more important to me over the years is the people I work with. That is the director and the co-actors. That's become even more important to me than the content.
There are different school of thoughts before you actually shoot, right? Some you usually have workshops, you have rehearsals. A lot of people want to know how much of that went through before you went into the camera and you said action. Were there rehearsals, lot of script reading together, workshops?
Not for me.
Huh? Not for you, Vijay.
Not for me. I had to sit and rehearse with both the brothers myself.
You had your own company. But what about Mr. Pankaj or Beena? I know there are over 35 plus actors in Mirzapur, but since you are available, I would like to ask you, how much of rehearsals would go through or how much of script reading or...
फॉर मी तो नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। मैं तो रात को आता था सेट पे, मतलब दूसरे शहर से कहीं से 83 कर रहा था ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम। तो
लंदन,
हाँ, लंदन से सीधे बनारस पहुंचता था और चिंता होती थी कि बस दाढ़ी आ जाए, मेरी दाढ़ी जो है ना कंटिन्यूटी के लायक मैच हो जाए। तो मैं एक्टिंग से ज्यादा आई फोकस्ड ऑन माय बियर्ड, मैं वहीं से नारियल तेल लगाना शुरू कर 5 दिन तक इवन आवर्स काउंटिंग होती थी कि यार कल से 83 में ना मैं ट्रिमर शुरू कर दूंगा, एक एक नंबर छुपा के कि इनको भी
Really? Wow.
And how difficult was this? 83, your character is so different. Man Singh is so different than Kalin Baya. It's completely different. So how difficult or easy was it to just switch between two characters?
I think it's easy because he's the school, acting school himself, na?
Yeah,
बहुत
yeah,
आसान
of
था
course.
दोनों पोल अपार्ट हैं, दोनों दो काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर हैं। सो मुश्किल बहुत था, बट अगेन वही है कि हमारा इसी काम के लिए पैसे मिलते हैं, तो जैसे पैसे का एग्रीमेंट तय हो जाता है तो फिर क्रिएटिविटी।
So does it depend on the paycheck? Does your acting depend on the paycheck?
एक्सट्रीमली।
So since we are asking honest questions, बोल दीजिए कितने मिले सब लोगों को?
नहीं ये नहीं बता सकते।
पैसा और प्यार जितना भी मिलता है कम लगता है।
Yeah.
True. Okay.
But I heard you injured your elbow, shoulder also during your shoot of 83. How are you feeling now?
Now it's okay.
Now you're better.
Okay, Ramya Muddu Krishna want to know, I'm a huge fan of fantastic artist Vijay Varma. Please ask him to, can we expect also him in Kannada? Because she knows that even Pankaj Tripathi, you are a part of a Kannada movie.
Yes.
I would love to. I like that.
You know, since we are Bhumra and I live from Bangalore. Do you know a little bit of Kannada by any chance?
I don't know
Anyone
Kannada,
of
but
you?
I'm
One word.
from Hyderabad, so the Hyderabadi Hindi is close to the Kannada, the Bangalore Hindi.
But
उधर
since-
भी जाको खाको आया मैं करको आया।
That is,
Oh.
that is Hyderabadi Hindi. But Mr. Pankaj, since you were a part of Kannada, that part of the movie, did you learn anything, 1 or 2 words? No, you don't remember.
चिगुड़ी द कनासु।
Chikurida Kanasu with Shivraj Kumar. Yes.
कुमार, yes.
But you haven't picked up any phrases.
They know me. शिवराज एंड जय कुमार both brothers, और इंद्रजीत को मैं जानता हूँ वहाँ।
He has the same hairstyle.
हाँ, yes.
Acha, they wanted me to teach one line. If you get by to Bangalore to ask you how are you, you can just say hey Gidira.
ए दिगिजा क्या?
Take Idira.
Hey Gidira, how are you?
Hey.
Chanagidini.
Gidira.
हे इधरा,
ए
Gidira.
गिदिरा।
हे
Gidira.
सीख है।
Gauri Belawadi said, just tell everyone the casting crew of Mirzapur, that they made my day and month amidst the pandemic situation.
Oh,
And
I
Dasra
want to
too.
thank you.
Yeah, our Dasra was really fun because it released on Dasra weekend. We had a long weekend and we enjoyed thoroughly binge watching Mirzapur too.
गौरी को हमारी शुभकामनाएं बोल दीजिए हमारी तरफ से. थैंक यू गौरी.
Okay, Apurva wanted to know, why did they kill the twins?
Not the
They didn't
twins.
kill the twins. Don't spoil it.
I don't. Somebody's Apurva. I am.
No.
I have
So
promised
is
people
this
I'll
is
take the
this
question.
Chotu speaking or it is Bade speaking now?
He also
And-
doesn't know.
Even he doesn't know.
He said, why
Depend
did,
किसको पेमेंट मिला है.
and why
Obviously,
did
Rebecca.
Shukla save Tripathi when he could have actually easily killed him and gotten Mirzapur? She said, I have so
हाँ,
many
ये नहीं
questions. One of the
समझ में
questions I
आया.
wanted to ask.
मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आया ये.
ये एक्चुअली ये सवाल मेरे पेरेंट्स भी कल मुझसे पूछ रहे थे.
हाँ. बताओ क्यों बचाया आपको
Answer.
शुक्ला ने?
अब ये तो राइटर से पूछना पड़ेगा. इनफैक्ट
आपको बच के अच्छा लगा
डबल
लेकिन?
पैसे मिले क्या?
कुछ पर्पस होगा.
Talwar wanted to know, who is the father of Munna Tripathi?
इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि ना बहुत लोग पूछ रहे हैं छोटे बाबू का पापा कौन है, और ये जीनियस लोग हैं वो पूछ रहे हैं अगर कालीन भैया का बच्चा नहीं हो सकता तो मुन्ना का पापा कौन है.
That's exactly what Talwar has asked. Everyone is confused about who the father of Chota Tripathi is, but I'm confused about who is the father of Munna Tripathi because Kalin Bhai is unable to produce. That's what he said.
Was so
नहीं
but
प्रोड्यूस तो
did
जवानी में
did
प्रोड्यूस कर
Beena
रहे होंगे ऐसा
actually deliver a baby girl or is it a baby boy or is it's still a secret?
No, it's a baby boy.
She did
उस
deliver
लेवल
baby.
पर हम कहानी को नहीं ले गए हैं कि we are pretending that the girl child is a boy. No.
Yeah, no.
That is another thing that I had done in this.
Okay, I have one quick, before I wrap it up, I have a quick game. Since you're such great actors, I will just give you one emotion. You only give that facial expression.
Okay.
Or let me do it. Bhuvana, even you can throw in some emotions. Okay,
Yes,
let's give them
yes.
tough ones. You're meeting this person for the first time, kind of a look.
Yeah, but
That's not
You're meeting your crush for the first time. You're meeting
crush.
your
Oh.
yeah.
Okay, just a suspicious look.
जोर से सुसु लगी है.
Your bladder is full. I don't think Pankaj cares much for bladder full. It's the same thing. At the bladder weight, I will.
Bladder पे control है उनका.
Last and final, anything that you would like to say for all those who are viewing this, all the people who are watching or listening to Fever and all the on Instagram, anything that you would like to say and then wrap it up.
Thank you for watching season 2 and thank you for all the love.
Yes. शुक्रिया.
Lastly, I have a fan here who just has one message for you. A big Mirzapur 2 fan.
Okay.
कालीन भैया.
हेलो भैया, कैसा है भैया?
हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया. आप सुनाओ. कालीन भैया, हमारा सिर्फ एक ही सवाल है.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट टाइम आप बैंगलोर आए और हमारे साथ चाय नहीं पिए, रिस्क तो है.
चर्च स्ट्रीट में मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम.
तो आपको एक क्रिएटिव आंसर देना ना, इसलिए रिस्क है.
चर्च स्ट्रीट में.
Oh, super. My love to all of you. Pankaj Tripathi,
you.
thank you very much for joining.
Thank you
thank you.
so much. All the best.
And Vijay Verma, thank you so much. My love to all of you.
शुक्रिया.
Thank you.
Thank you.